Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a reinstall on this straight wig from WorldNewHair company. It's a wig that I already installed a few days ago. In today's video I want to really emphasize on how to get a nice stuck no lifting down install. So first thing first, I'm putting on a little nude wig cap and I'm making sure I'm pulling this wig cap back because it's just to make sure I don't get my braids stuck on the clips. But besides that, I don't want it to be showing under my lace. I'm going to be using this Ebin Wonder Bond edge glue. I did in the initial install tint the lace using my Revolution concealer in my skin tone C13. Now we're just going to go ahead and plop the wig onto our head to make sure she's all situated. When spraying on the lace spray, I try to make sure I'm spraying it as close to the hairline as possible. This just kind of helps make sure you're not making it too messy because you're going to have to make sure you wipe off all of that excess spray that is not on the lace because it will get very messy. I use my fingers to kind of also help me push that product into the lace and to kind of help me spread it around onto the areas that I want it to go on. I go in with my blow dryer on a cold setting, not a warm setting. This really helps reduce, having a white cast if you use a cool versus a very hot setting. And the key here is that I'm using the rat tail comb to really help me push that lace in. You can use any flat surface or whatever you have to take your time and just push down the lace into the glue that you've sprayed down. And I'm also, as you can see, combing down the baby hairs as well and pushing the edge of the baby hairs into the glue or spray. And I just go ahead and repeat this in sections all over my hair. And working in sections really does help because you can take your time to make sure you're going in with that rat tail comb to really push down each section of the lace. baby hairs are all laid down, and I'm going to go ahead the elastic band again to ensure the baby hairs and the lace is not moving, and let that sit and simmer for another 10 minutes while I go ahead and just straighten out this hair. And I'm using this Cheese Silk Infusion hair serum. I'll link that below, and I'm just using my flat iron and my brush to kind of just chase down the hair. You know, nothing major, just a very simple flat ironing process. Lace is laid, hair is flat ironed and pressed, and girl, I was feeling myself. I really love this look. I feel like it just looks so natural, so flat, and it's all because of those steps I showed you guys earlier and how to really make sure you're pressing that glue and lace combination into your head with your rat tail comb. But that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.